Hi viewers, welcome to Kipesha Cooks. Today we are going to make pork, ribs and skewers. So this is my pork. I had already marinated it. I marinated it with thyme and salt. Then I placed it in the fridge for about 1 hour to 2 hours. You can do less, but I really wanted the thyme taste to be in the pork. So you can do that, marinate it for 1 hour or 2 and make sure you put it in the fridge. So I'm going to cut my pork into some pieces. I'm going to make them into cubes for the skewers and to chop off into pieces for the ribs. Then I'm going to use my skewers, which are bamboo skewers. I bought them at Carrefour for around 110 shillings. There are 50 of them. Then now I will fit my pieces of pork, the cubes that I cut, into the skewers. This is now ready to go into the oven. You don't require to put any form of oil because pork itself is oily. So now into the barbecue sauce, we're going to have honey. Make sure you have honey. There is a tomato ketchup. There is choma sauce, which is optional, and there's also dark soy sauce. It's also optional, you don't need it. Then I have paprika. If you have smoked paprika, better. So in a sufuria, I'm going to heat up some ketchup, mix it with choma sauce, add a bit of salt, then go in with half a teaspoon of paprika. Then there is the dark soy sauce, which is optional. And I forgot to mention, you need mustard, not a lot. It is also optional. You don't have to put mustard in it. You're going to whisk this so that the ingredients can come together well, and let it simmer for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes is enough. Then I will go in with honey. By the way guys, if you're not sure about the taste of this sauce, you can keep tasting as you add to your liking the amount of honey or the amount of salt that you want. It has no harm to taste, so you can taste as you continue adding the ingredients. After 2 minutes or 3 minutes, that's how our sauce should look like, and it is ready. So you should let the sauce cool down before you apply it on your pork. Just let it cool to room temperature, then it will be ready. In a foil for the pork ribs and the skewers, Make sure to arrange them and salt them properly before you put them in the oven. I had already lit up my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Make sure you wrap the pork properly and it's airtight so that it doesn't form any kind of soup or soupy material, or water. So make sure to wrap in a way that it's airtight, then place it in the oven. So we'll do the same for the skewers. Now at this point we're going to put them in the oven. Our oven was already heated. You're going to give it 30 minutes to cook. Then after 30 minutes you will turn to the other side so that the other side also cooks. But if you are using an oven that has the upper and lower flame or the electric oven, then you don't have to do this process of turning. So back into the oven. After 15 minutes or 20 minutes, I'll check on my pork. Be careful, it's a bit hot. Then I will apply my marinade. Same goes to the pork skewers that we made. 30 minutes, depending on how well done you like your pork. And after 30 minutes, this was the result, and it is ready to eat. It was delicious, and I hope you will try this simple pork ribs and skewers recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.